Question 4. They gave you this list of numbers E, F, 7, G, 12, and 17. And the question asks you to find the value of E, F, and G. They gave us some useful information to use. They told us the range is 15, the median is 8.5, the mean is 9. You should use these three to help you. Please pause and try it yourself first. So to do this question, I'll first start by the range. They said the range is 15. The range is the largest minus the smallest. So 17 minus E equal 15. That means E is 2. The median is the middle number. So let's find the median. We find it by crossing one here and there. Cross E, cross 17, cross F, cross 12. The middle number is the median. We have two middle numbers. That means 7 plus G divided by 2 equals the median, which is 8.5. Now, what number divided by 2 equal 8.5? It's 17. 17 divided by 2 equal 8.5. That means G is 10 because 7 plus G is 17. The mean is when you add all the numbers and divide by how many are there. So we add them and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because there are 6 numbers. Let's add them. I just wrote the new numbers. I wrote the 2 and G. So let's add them. 2 plus F plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 17 divided by 6 equal 9 because they say the mean is 9. Now if we add the 2, 7, 10, 12 and 17, it gives you 48. That means 48 plus F divided by 6 equal 9. 54 divided by 6 is 9. That means F is 48 plus what makes 54? It's 6. So F is 6. We got the 3 numbers, and that's your 3 marks for this easy peasy lemon squeezy question. Question 5.